Today's video is brought to you by Ladybug Paper Company.
Hi everyone, today we're gonna have conveyor belt sushi.
So, despite being in Japan for 3 weeks so far, besides the very first day that we arrived, we haven't had any sushi. So this is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be my first restaurant sushi. The first time that we had it was actually at Akane's parents, so that was really nice, homemade stuff. So we're here at the restaurant, we're going to check it out. Akane's getting some green tea now, and it's going to be interesting to see how we do this.
So there is a 3 color.
Okay.
Type of plate.
Okay.
So yellow one is 120 yen.
Okay.
Red plate is 170 yen.
Okay.
And black one is 320 yen.
Okay, so does each one gonna have a little dot beside it to tell the color?
Yeah.
They have a tablet, so we're gonna go to English. We choose what we want, so I see sushi there. And then each type of sushi is going to be displayed there with their prices. And you can flip through and see exactly what you want. Okay, so we just put in our order now. What's gonna happen?
So the sushi come in like express plate.
Okay, so one thing I'm learning is we're supposed to flip it over, pick it up, dip the fish side into the soy sauce, and eat.
You use chopsticks really well.
Thank you. Self-taught, kind of. Okay, so we've just ordered some more stuff. The first round was really good. Kind of ordered an assortment of stuff. So the trick, if you do have to dip the bottom, dip it real fast.
Maybe.
That little zesty sauce on top.
Which one was it?
This is the salmon with cheese and a basil. It's really good. I think it's more westernized flavors, which is obviously something that I'm very used to. So that one's exceptionally pleasing for me to have a little bit of cheese and a little bit of zesty sauce on there. Definitely good.
Good.
So this is a fish that I've never had before. Right, so
Remember?
we're gonna flip that, we're gonna dip that.
Perfect.
It's chewier than everything else we've had. Which for me is not necessarily a good thing. It's alright for me. I probably wouldn't order it again.
Oh
But
no.
maybe for you, it's good. I just don't like how chili it is. Yeah.
Are you ready to try first eel?
Yeah, so Akane has somehow convinced me to try eel.
No, not eel. What's called?
Unagi.
The one you know, unagi.
Because of friends. Anyway, so here it goes. The sauce is super. It's like a teriyaki sauce.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
It's good. I'd probably order it again.
Oh, really? Really?
I just don't know. Either eel has a very mild taste, or the teriyaki has a very strong taste. Because there's nothing there's no like overpowering like fishy taste that I may have expected. Yeah, the teriyaki stuff on top was delicious. Whether or not I would like it without the sauce, I'm not sure. But that was good. Well, shake your head. Keep eating if it's good. Alright, Akane. So now that we have finished our meal, How do we go about getting our check?
I think we need to use
This machine in order to say that we're done? Okay.
usually we call somebody
Okay.
who works here, but
Right. Since we're not actually really interacting with anybody that works here, we use the machine. Okay, so she came through and used some sort of magic wand to scan all these plates, and it counts them and it knows what color they are. And she scans that information into this card, and we take the card up and we pay using this card. Oh, it just sits there. It just sits there, you don't suck it in.
yeah.
And then it shows you the price. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me on my first conveyor belt and unagi tasting session. I think it was a pretty good success and the food was absolutely delicious. So as you saw, it came to about 1,600 Japanese yen, or about $16 for the two of us. Alright, so if you guys liked the video, let me know. The best way to do that is hit the thumbs up button or leave a comment below. It would be great to connect with you. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. I hope you subscribe. Unfortunately, this is my last full day in Japan, so I won't be putting out any more videos from here in Japan, but I will be putting out videos from somewhere new coming up. So it's always exciting. For my subscribers who have been following this journey the whole time, I want to thank you so much for just being with us the whole journey. It's fun to have you guys watch and to comment. We always appreciate how much support you guys give. So I hope to see you all wherever we do next. I'm not going to spoil that yet. I'm going to leave that as a surprise because.
What? Okay.
But it's going to be exciting no matter what it is. So we'll see you guys on the next adventure.